I saw you where the wild winds roam, by emerald hills and ancient stone. Your laughter danced upon the sea, and something woke inside of me. I followed where your footsteps led, through whispered dreams and paths we tread. Beneath the silver moonlit sky, I gave my heart without asking why. Mo crí, mo gra, na fag me anois. My heart, my love, don't leave me now. Tá do solas fós, I'm on a mistake. I gave you my heart, I gave you my soul. You became the song that made me whole. Is tu morel se spera nocht. You are my star in the sky tonight. The oceans rise, I hold you tight. I gave you my heart through joy and pain, like summer sunshine after rain. Mo grago do, mo quishalvan. You'll always be where I belong. The fires fade, the seasons turn, yet for your touch my hands still yearn. The old oak knows the vows we made, in forest light and evening shade. The river sings our melody, a timeless Celtic symphony. And every dawn that finds me here still carries echoes of you near. A storm o crí, éis le mo glód fan leon god yo.